ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Hana Shemeer and I'm a 6th grader studying in Rice Middle School. And today I'm here to talk to you guys about an invention that I would believe would make our lives easier. So to make our lives easier, we have to stay alive. So something that causes death most often is pretty much air pollution in the environment. So something that would fall under the category of air pollution would be acid rain. You might be thinking this right now. What is acid rain? Acid rain is pretty much just rain that is more acidic. So it actually has a lot of effects than you think. It causes deaths of many animals. Many pulmonary diseases are also caused by acid rain, and so are cardiac diseases. Many forests are also destroyed by acid rain, especially those in higher elevations. So you might be thinking right now, how can we solve this problem? Well, before we solve the problem, we need to know the cause or the root of this problem. Acid rain is caused when gases like sulfur and nitrogen oxide are released in the air and rise up high in the atmosphere and mix with other elements and compounds such as oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and water molecules. And when these gases, compounds, and elements mix, and when they precipitate, it precipitates in a more acidic level. So there are actually two types of deposition: dry deposition and wet deposition. Dry deposition is when the air particles around us are more acidic than usual. And wet deposition is when rain, sleet, hail, snow, and many other things that take the form of water is more acidic than usual. So pretty much what I'm trying to say is an invention that I would believe to make the world a better place is something that I would like to call the APT, or the air pollutant transformer. So what it does is it pretty much takes in all the air pollutants, either if it's in water or it's in air, it doesn't really matter. It takes in the air pollutants and transfers it into something more renewable, recyclable, and more non-toxic. And this is very useful as this is very environmental friendly, and less cardiac pulmonary diseases would be reported each year, and so would be deaths of animals, especially fish. And also many forests would be saved and they would not be destroyed. So the reason I actually decided to do this is because in 2018, I remember Harrison Ford doing a speech, and in his speech he had stated that nature doesn't need people, but it's actually people that need nature. So what we're practically doing is killing ourselves. So for the future of our generations, for the future of Earth, for the future of humanity, let's start now. Because if we don't start now, then we and all the things that we cherish and treasure will soon become history. Thank you very much.